How to see Street View in Google Maps and Android. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can see Street View in Google Maps and Android. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta simply open Google Maps and then you gotta search for any location you want to. And first, the Street View option was really visible just on the screen right here, but now they have hidden it. So what you can do is simply click on this icon over here. Click on it and you'll be able to see the map types and map details. So over here in map details, you'll be able to see public transit, traffic, bicycling, 3D, street view, wildfires, and air quality. In our case, we're going to choose street view. Simply click on it and go back. Now, once you click on Street View, you'll be able to see the map slightly changed to blue lines. That means that these streets have the Street View enabled. So in order to simply open the Street View, you're going to simply click on any of the area. For example, I'm going to click on this area over here. Click on it and you'll be able to see something like this. So you can simply click on any of the location you want, and once you do so, you'll be able to see the Street View over here. So right now you can see that this street doesn't have any imagery. So let's just click on any other. So here you can see that this street has the street view enabled, and you can simply move around and simply see the location with the street view enabled. So that is basically how you can see Street View in Google Maps and Android. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.